Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Hilton Doubletree Southampton. Off of the Princess Cruise and now here for a 2-night stay before my flight back. We'll explore Southampton tomorrow. Walking into the main room, see a big desk area with the EU charging. I brought my own convertible plug. Complimentary water bottles here with my Hilton Diamond status and a complimentary drink voucher. Looking forward to the outside. It's a woodsy view. See a walking area and some benches outside and some nature exploration possible. Couch to the side. This is what they're calling a family queen room. Upgrade from a regular queen room. A large queen bed. Did not see the option for a king room, but they said this is an upgrade, so that's nice. See a nightstand on both sides. Lighting up above, lighting to the side. A little bit dark, but sufficient enough. AC, temperature control on the wall. Walking over, a closet. Ironing board, hangers. Iron up above, extra storage space at top. Into the bathroom, a tub and shower combo. And up above, various shower heads. This is the rain effect. Nozzles at the bottom. Over here, a single sink. This is all the same room. The bottles for hand wash, body lotion, mirror, and an extra side mirror, perhaps for makeup, turning on. And some wall art. Show the earth you care. Coming back into the main room, a little side area here. You get a view of the main room. Here perhaps for dining, and can walk around, get another view of the room. So decently spacious. They call it a family room. I think fine for just me. Having a family member on a couch, I suppose, is the idea, or sharing the bed. So maybe good for 1 or 2 people, but maybe not 3 or more. A 2-night stay here before my flight back to London Heathrow, and a do not disturb sign and an option for breakfast. Complimentary breakfast with Hilton Diamond status. See the floor layout as well on the door. Justin Vacula, the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Hilton Doubletree, Southampton.